Ever heard of an alarm clock that uses the buzz of a mosquito to wake you up? Meet the Mosquito Alarm Clock, a peculiar 1950s device that featured an audible buzzing mechanism mimicking the dreaded insect. Stand out for its unique design, it had a radium-painted dial that glowed in the dark, a feature that, interestingly, inspired today's backlit displays in modern clocks. Little did you know, its concept paved the way for smart alarm systems of today that integrate natural sounds as gentle wake-up calls. So what retro gadget would you guess was key in today's tech evolution? Drop a comment below and let's dive into nostalgia.